how to fix eBay listing error on Printify. So here's how it works. First, you want to have both eBay and Printify open and sign into your accounts. So on Printify here, you will click on My New Store from the left hand side, and you want to go into eBay here. If you have not set up eBay, you will just click on Add a New Store and then choose eBay and go through the prompts. So let's say that you have set up your store here. What we need to do next is just gonna be verifying that our store is indeed set up. So these are gonna be the steps. So create your store, create an eBay account. This is just basically gonna ask you to sign in and register for a seller account if you haven't already. So make sure you have registered for a seller account, and then you will need to set up a payment method and confirm eBay's business policies and connect. Now the next tip that I can give you is make sure you are not selling a prohibited item. Make sure that they abide by the rules for both Printify and eBay. If you have successfully connected your accounts and you still get this error, then the last thing that I can suggest doing is reconnecting your account. So you will go to Manage My Stores here, and where it says your eBay account, you will click on it and you will just delete it. And then you confirm the deletion. Then you will reconnect it. You will click on Add New Store, eBay, and then you will go through the prompts once more. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.